stumbled upon a knitting tutorial that just clicked? One that didn't just show you what to do, but actually taught you why? Today, we're diving into why some knitting tutorials feel different, and how they manage to be so much more effective than your average how-to. Let's face it, the internet is overflowing with knitting tutorials. You can find videos demonstrating every stitch imaginable, from the basic knit and purl to complex cables and lace. But a sea of demonstrations doesn't always equal understanding. Many tutorials simply show you the steps, leaving you to puzzle over the why on your own. You see needles moving, yarn forming loops, but the underlying principles often remain a mystery. What sets the exceptional tutorials apart? It's their commitment to teaching, not just showing. They don't just present the steps, they explain the mechanics of each stitch, the way the yarn interacts with the needles, and the structure of the resulting fabric. They break down complex techniques into manageable pieces, making them accessible to knitters of all skill levels. These tutorials anticipate your questions, address common pitfalls, and empower you to troubleshoot your own projects. Think about the difference between learning a language by rote memorization versus understanding grammar and sentence structure. One is about repeating phrases. The other is about truly grasping the underlying system. The same applies to knitting. A tutorial that teaches you the principles of stitch construction allows you to adapt techniques, correct mistakes, and even design your own patterns. You move from a state of blindly following instructions to one of confident creation. So, what are the key elements of a teaching-focused knitting tutorial? First, clarity. The best tutorials use clear, concise language and well-lit visuals. They often include close-up shots of key actions, slow-motion replays, and diagrams to illustrate the concepts. Second, they focus on the why behind the what. They explain how each stitch contributes to the overall fabric, and how different techniques affect the final outcome. Third, they encourage experimentation. These tutorials often provide variations on a technique, suggest alternative approaches, and encourage you to explore your own creativity. Ultimately, the goal of a great knitting tutorial isn't just to help you knit a single project. It's to equip you with the knowledge and skills to become a confident, independent knitter. It's about empowering you to unravel the mysteries of yarn and needles, and create beautiful things with your own two hands. So, the next time you're searching for a knitting tutorial, look for one that teaches, not just shows. Your knitting journey will thank you for it.